excited to yell? Okay, everyone purr like a kitten on 3. 1, 2, 3. What are you excited to yell at a microphone? Okay, do that thing on 3, everybody. 1, 2, 3. It's a microphone, and you've got it. What do you want to do? I want to spread love. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's Love Shack. On 3, we're going to say love really loud. 1, 2, 3. Love! Yeah! All right. Oh my gosh, we're so happy because we have the capacity to love, and everyone does, and it's wonderful. Oh my God, it's so good to be alive and in New York and full of possibility for loving every person. It's amazing. Oh my God, what wonderful people. Oh, I love you all. Yes, yes, yes to life. Yes to love. Join us if you wish, but love you must, for that is the reason for existence. It is more than all of this. We love so much, and you're wonderful. Yeah!
Oh, half the population is not in the cold. The other half not supposed to do what they're told. Half the population is left out in the cold. The other half locked up, supposed to do what they're told. Half the population is left out in the cold. The other half locked up, supposed to do what they're told. Half the population is left out in the cold. The other half locked up, forced to do what they're told. And it's getting old. Oh, they built a wall. We yell out in anger in the courtroom. You'll get a felony. They threaten the crowd, leave on the count of 3. Okay, I am brave. All I got mine. And we bubble about, and the world's gone crazy. And if she wants something more, she'd probably be a